Hello. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to position yourself as an expert. I'm going to teach you how to also transform how clients perceive you so that you can unlock high paying opportunities for yourself through strategic positioning. Let's get straight into business. Now, you need to understand why positioning matters. It matters because clients pay for expertise, but to be honest with you, people invest in perceived value, not just for deliverables. You understand? So they want to buy your mindset, they want to see your mindset before they can actually give you a job. Now, avoid price competition. Without positioning yourself, you are stuck competing on cost only, not by values. So, positioning yourself well and pimping up yourself will make you look very, very much attractive, especially for your clients that you're looking for. Now, better positioning equals to higher earnings. Strategic positioning would actually help you directly it is directly correlated with high income potential. So that is very important. So what positioning really means? Number one, positioning really means market perception. How clients see you in a competitive competitive landscape, and your value and authority. Now, your the truth is that your value and authority, your credibility and trust factor is very, very important in the marketplace because if positioning isn't is not about certificate, it's not about credential, it's about demonstrating result and value. And how do you do that? Now, so many things that experts do that doesn't really matter. Some of the myth you have. Number one, you believe that you don't need the truth is that you don't need 10 years of freelancing experience to actually land high paying jobs. A lot of people believe you need a lot of years. Experience matters less than current knowledge and results. Experience doesn't really matter when you have knowledge and you have results. And you don't need 1,000 clients. Quality over quantity. Start positioning yourself from day one to attract high people. Now, even if low quality clients come, it's just for you to help them, not because of you're looking for money. Yes. Another thing is just know more than your clients, and you're going to make a lot of money. Focus on delivering genuine value and solving real problem. You're going to make genuine money, real money. So expert advantage. The expert advantage is also very important. The expert advantage will help you actually attract clients effortlessly. When you're an expert, it helps you attract clients effortlessly with a very, very strong positioning. You help it with a very strong branding. It helps you to like position yourself to make clients come to you instead of chasing them. Now, this is one of the things I really, really admire about myself because one thing I do is that I position myself for this. I teach my stuff on the side, and people just look at me, and even if I pitch, people are coming immediately to me, like, oh yeah, and it command higher fees. When you're an expert, it justify premium pricing through perceived value and results, and it builds long-term credibility. It establishes long-lasting reputation that compounds over time. Now, let me tell you something. This is a caveat. Building a beautiful authority is not you shouldn't build it on a fake level. You build it on real level, real competence. You understand? So, but on the flip side, if you want to build an expert authority very fast, all you just need to do, because this time around is a social media age, you need to just identify profitable skills. Focus on that specific skill, expertise that solves valuable problem. Package your service with confidence. Present your offers and solution with don't shake. Then show proof of knowledge. Because when you create content, when you create case studies and demos, you it helps you demonstrate expertise faster. Essential positioning tools, things you need to know. Personal branding, very important. Build up your LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Instagram, your X, your Facebook. This always help you to showcase expertise. And your portfolio is the most important thing. The work you've done, display your work, even from a self-created project, to demonstrate skills. Testimonials, gather feedback from clients, colleagues, and or practical work to just build testimony for yourself. Craft your expert identity. How do you do that? A clear introduction. Define clearly who you help and how you solve their problem. Confident messaging. Focus on result outcomes, not just desperately or need or needy language. Consistent online presence. Maintain professional image across all social media platform or the ones you're going to be using. Clear introduction. My name is XYZ. I help XYZ get XYZ. That is it. Avoid the beggar's trap. Never chase with desperation. Maintain a professional composure and let expertise speak for you. Don't underprice. Low price signal low value. Price for what? Stop competing on price. Differentiate true value, not cheap rates. Now, the next thing I'll talk about in this video before we go over to the next one is you need your positioning. Your positioning action plan needs to be set right now. How do you do that? Number one, define who you are, define your niche, define everything, identify your target clients and specific expertise, whether it's copywriting, whether it's Facebook ads, identify it now. Create result focused bio, build a strong profile highlighting outcome and value. Use AI to build this one, use ChatGPT. My name is SN Joshua. I help low level entrepreneurs to build digital products so that they can earn money from the internet using my XYZ system. I'm going to help you. You're a coach, you're a freelance coach, you understand? You can be any freelancer whatsoever and share experiences, share expertise through your content. Publish at least 3 content showcasing your knowledge every week. You don't need to be the best, just position as the right fit for the high paying clients, and clients is going to keep running to you day in, day out. And that is what I've done for myself. And I believe that if you do it for your own self, you're going to make a lot of money. So 7 figure, clients model. This course will actually change your mind if you actually apply all these things I'm saying. But right now, the actionable plan right now is to identify these 3 things. Number one, define your niche, your result focus bio, and start sharing expertise at least 3 times a week. And you start seeing you're going to start building momentum.